People production.
Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. I have some information for you to know.
Come to Landfoot TV at the right place, so let's don't go nowhere.
Blessed love and greetings all of my viewers and subscribers, my kings and queens, my lion and my lioness. I hope all this blessing, and as usual, I hope this visual finds you all in the best of health. I don't know health over wealth, we're not obsessed, you see me? Yeah man, I want to know and do the right thing, you see it? Yeah man, so wherever you are all over the world, wake up on yourself, hold up love, no matter the race, no matter the color, no matter the skin, the gender, you know what I mean, your beliefs, you know what I mean? Yes, I just peace and love and unity over scrutiny. Now my viewers and subscribers, I'm ready to touch upon that topic here. I'm see the killer come out, lashing out, bashing out. You get what I say, and I have to give them full support because they know bounty killer and the voice of the people them. Right now, you see me, poor people governor. So big up bounty killer, my general. Anyway, they hear this, better big up yourself. I don't know, are you call I and I the kush. You see me? Yeah man, so you don't know my general. My viewers and subscribers, my kings and queens. I don't know what is some man and some people, you know. I don't know what is some man and some people. Right now, I'm not put no intermission at this, no hard break. You get to me and say, I just go straight into it, you see me? And man, them kill an elderly woman star and 2 children. I say, Jaja no, you know? Jaja no. Oh, the man them so cruel. Oh, the man them so cruel. 2 young little toddler, you know? And an elderly woman, you know? John knows that. I tell you, sir, yo, I don't know what's the cause, what's the reason, you know, for that to happen. It's so, and trust me, why? I tell you, sir, Jamaica gone to the dogs, and you see why people, when the Prime Minister talk about people that show the bad side, we have to highlight the bad side because it's damn, it's annoying, you know what I mean, intriguing. We're so fed up by it, man. Killing for no reason. Friend I kill friend, family I pay for family dead. You know what I mean? Bad mind I kill you because them bad mind, they don't want to say reach the top because you strive them for kill you or make your business fault or whatever, in whatever bad ways, whether by gun or by hobby or anything. People just, why we can't come together and live good? The viewers and subscribers, what reason for them have for them kill this lady, you know? Big woman up in her age, Zine, and these 2 little young siblings, toddler, who don't live no life yet, who don't know what life is, and them turn the gun upon them. Jaja, no, I say, no mercy upon them, no mercy upon them. Father God, forgive them because they know what they have done, but I tell you, sister, them to be brought to justice, and anybody will protect them and I support them. Fire burn for no 2 man. Yeah man. You don't know a line of it, I will speak the truth, I will speak with mine in a star, but I have to big up the general bounty killer, you know what I mean, to come out and lashing out because you know, man I say, yo, a joke thing star, this Jamaica gone to a joke thing. And the Prime Minister they need to do more conjure coolness, they need to do more step up on crime, man. Make, you know why? You know? Try no star. I tell my viewers and subscribers, I'm so disgruntled right now. You know what I mean? Yeah man, I'm so channel star. I tell a boy, I tell you. But do me pray for my family them out there, you know. Do me pray for my family and my friend them, man. Everybody we pray for because I don't know a peace and love we say. And we can't build life and blow a bit, so I want to take life. So I and I live good with everybody, you know. Who want to eat I and pray I and I. You know what I mean? I own phone a lot that, but me I pray love to all my haters, them and my lovers, them and my friends and everybody. You know what I mean? Strangers, all of them know I love me set. You see me? Yeah man. My viewers and subscribers. So bounty killer take it to Instagram. You know what I mean? And them say, yo, Jamaica, it look like dog nyam supper. If we're gonna continue like this, I haven't seen none of my fellow artists shed any light on this matter, unlike how many dubs I heard for politicians were recently done. Is this the seed we sowing today? We saw blooms into the 90s and what it's gonna be like 2035. Folks giving up on hoodlums for these crimes isn't informing the reforming. It's reforming. Helping the land we love and its people. Anybody entertaining skirmish like these should be treated likewise. Vex no bumbuckler. Them turn Jamaica in a big idiot play star. You see me? And some angry emojis, sad emojis. You see me? So basically Bounty Killer say, yo, no, yeah, nobody attack, no artists no come out and a leak out. You know what I mean? But them do so much dubs to the politician them for support them politics. I no vote for politics and only see them when I regret now because you see what the Prime Minister do. He's a part of the gender with this flipping C19, you see me? With the lie, it's all a lie. But when you vote him in and the man just bite the hands that feed you, that the man bite on the hands, the man betray on with the trust. You see me? You sure look at support when the time we vote. We don't see you when they touch Christmas. They use some pain and them one job. I want to pray that song upon the 9 to 5 rhythm. By me, you know. I am American, you know. You see me? These politicians, they are liars. You see me, my viewers and subscribers. But back to the killing and the murder rate in Jamaica story. Wicked man, bad is very bad. But now lie, it's very, very bad. You know? And right now, Africa, me I pray. First time I got Africa, big up Gambia, big up DJ Spital, you know what I mean? I fell in love with that place, I fell in love with Africa. All the while I say about Africa, but you never know until you go and experience, you know? I've been in several different countries around the world, you know what I mean? And boy, I tell me I fall in love with Africa. Right now, Africa is my place. I want to build a house in Africa. Right now, I can't afford a house in Jamaica. I don't have the money, but I know I can build something in Africa. You see me? Africa peace and quiet and love, everybody want just live in love and want to share, you know what I mean? Big up my brother Jimmy too, you know, you see me and him family them, you know? Yeah man, my viewers and subscribers star, I tell them I feel it for the people, yo, I feel it star. What reason them have to kill the local people them? What reason they had? Is it a contract killing or what? You can't be so cruel and heartless to kill a old lady and look at Jano Star. My viewers and subscribers, I want to let me know, comment in the comment section and let me know, Star. Right now I'm so angry and upset and you know, the day I pray, Star. Yeah man, but before I go on, I have a video for sure on the scene regarding the Bounty Killer and him team, you know, the Bounty's Foundation. They do great things, so big up the general ones from Bounty Killer. You see me? Bounty Killer, the king for me. You see me? Yeah man, not just the ground god, but the king of dancehall. Them man have a voice and they make it heard and them man stand up, you know what I mean, for justice. You see me? Yeah, so big up the General Bounty Killer once more. You see me? Yeah man, brotherly love, you see it? Yeah man, so watch where Killer go on. Bounty Foundation, big up.
Hello? Yeah, big respect to the Bounty Killer Foundation alongside the Yishma Foundation. Today we start a clothing drive. Just putting out now. And we're going to continue throughout the day and for the rest of the week. Bless up Bounty Foundation all the time. Cross with the Ishma and mad things. Zin, big up.
Alright, my viewers and subscribers, and this is what I go on. Yeah man. Greatness. Enough artists can do that, you know. Enough artists can do that. I'm not saying the artists now do nothing. Enough of them do things we don't know still, but they need to highlight it, make us see so we can talk about it. You see me? You get to me and say enough artists can do more by standing up and speaking out on the crime and whatever. The pandemic, you know. Everybody open at them shell and hype and vanity and who have Grammy and who have house and this and that and you know. We need to come together, man. United we stand, divided we fall, man. You see me? Yeah man, so the people out there can do more and come out and support the community, neighborhood watch and come out and band together and get rid of the thief them where broke people place. You see me? You see uptown not safe no more. Every day and them place not safe no more because man have new tactics of stealing. Them are breaking on your house and no fingerprint, no footprint. You see me? Likewise they get up worse. You see me? When you come together with people, man, they don't know a lion foot, you know, and wall it for love, you know. Be good, if you can't be good, be safe, do the right thing, eat right, drink right, think right. But check out my song 9 to 5. Here I go on.
The use some a bail and them one job. The use some a bread and them use them a deli green lane one job. The use them a spear lane one job. The use them a look love lane one job. So them not fi breathe, figure road go grab. And this a man stop apply the pressure. You and I know, say you can do better. If you provide job, the crime rate will get lesser. You me attack to oppressor. It's not all about you, it's all about us. We confide in you, you deceive our trust. You sure look who support when the time to vote. We don't see you when it